If you're experiencing approval delays on DoorDash, follow these steps to help resolve the issue quickly. This guide will walk you through the process to get your approval back on track. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check your email for any messages from DoorDash. They may have sent you important information or requests for additional documentation that could be causing the delay. Step 2. Review your application. Go through your application to ensure all information is accurate and complete. Missing or incorrect details can lead to delays in the approval process. Step 3. Contact support. Reach out to DoorDash support through their Apple website. Provide them with your details and explain your situation to get assistance with your approval status. Step 4. Be patient. After contacting support, give them some time to respond. The approval processes could take time, and they may need to investigate your case further. Step 5. Follow up. If you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with support. Politely inquire about the status of your application and any next steps you should take. By following these steps, you can address approval delays on DoorDash effectively. Stay proactive and keep communication open for the best results.